Hey guys, welcome back to Freshman Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida, and today we're here to check out the brand new drone show. It's gonna be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. All right, like Lou said, we're here in the good old Busch Gardens. Your girl just heard Iron Gwazi, that's why we're looking a little haggard, but you know, this man made me do it, so here we are.
Yeah, we had a great day. I got ice cream, we got souvenirs, and like we had all the Busch bucks. It was insane. Like darn near everything was free today. It was a great day.
It was a good day to be. It was a good day to be a Lewis. So, all that being said, we're gonna head over to the festival, field, and where we saw the Plume Tease a few weeks ago, and yeah, we're gonna watch the drone show. It's a drone and fireworks show. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I know we're a little bit late with the drone show. It's not exactly brand new. It's been out for, I don't know, a month or so at this point. But it's new to us because we haven't seen it yet. If you haven't seen it, then it's new to you as well.
There you go.
And yeah, we're not going to show the entire show because it's probably got a lot of copyright music.
Yeah.
So we're going to show clips of the show, get an idea what it looks like, leave some magic and suspense for when you come watch it yourself. And then at the end of the show, we'll give you our thoughts and opinions on it.
Because Lord knows we have lots of those. All right, let's take us to the show. All right, so in the festival, go that way. All right, guys, here we are. There's a little party out here.
Yeah.
Hula hoops and discos.
And if you didn't spend all your money yet, your kids are going to get that out of you right now for all the light up stuff.
All right, guys, so we're all hung out. We're sitting down.
We're hanging out.
We're hanging out, thank you. We are at the back of the stadium area, and I'll show you guys the plan here in a second. Maybe we can get the best wide angle shots there. Here we go, we got Iron Gwazi that flipped my eyelids and sent out, so that's kind of something. Yeah, and then I think that's Shikra over there. You can only see it. Here we go. All right, we have some drones in the air.
The lorikeet.
No, that's a snake.
Oh, it's a snake.
That's a snake. That's a cobra. Snake. Why would you tell me that was a lorikeet? That's crocodile maybe? You close them chompers, bro. That's
Hippo.
it. That's I was gonna say capybara, but yeah, hippo. Okay, I can see that.
Or an Ewok.
Hyena maybe?
I think you're right with a tiger, but it kind of looks like an Ewok.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, so that was really cool. I do think Busch Gardens did it right. I mean, the drone shows I think are amazing. I love seeing all the interesting like formations that they're able to make. I think that's really cool. But then the fact that it's not replacing fireworks, you still get fireworks on top of it. I think that's the right way to go about it.
What was your favorite drone shot?
Don't
use yours to the snake. I like the hippo. The Busch Gardens logo was cool.
The giraffe was cool.
Oh, I love the giraffe one too.
Yeah, but yeah, super cool. Definitely worth sticking around to check it out at least once. Over at Disney, they don't do fireworks at Animal Kingdom because of the animals. So what do the animals here think of that?
Yeah, no, I know, and that was my thought too because Busch Gardens geographically is not that big. Like you are almost in downtown Tampa.
Yeah, I mean maybe they just like turn the radio up really loud in the animal habitats like we do on the 4th of July for our dog.
All right, we'll get to a quiet place and then we'll tell you some pro tips. So meet you.
All right, guys. So here are your pro tips for drone show at Busch Gardens. Number 1 is the gates do not open until 30 minutes before the show starts, so there's no point to really showing up any earlier than that. You're just gonna be standing out in the parking lot, sitting on the ground. Not a good time. Go find somewhere else to sit, chill out, wait and relax until that 9 o'clock mark. Show starts at 9:30. Pro tip number 2 is there are plenty of seating areas. You don't have to be right up front. You can sit in the back and still have a great view. In fact, I think we kind of prefer sitting in the back where there's fewer people, less kids running around screaming, losing their minds. So honestly, the back is probably the place to be. And pro tip number 3 is remember that if you do have kids, they are going to want one of those light up toys, sticks, swords, or whatever. Buy one from Amazon or like Walmart or something before you come. Save yourself a ton of money because those things are always crazy expensive and then you tend to forget about ever using them again. They're basically one-time use. So try to get some, bring them to the show yourself. You save a bunch of money. Anyways, that's going to do it for today. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really help us out. With that being said, we're out of here. We'll see you next weekend.
Bye. This is what happens after you ride Iron Gwazi. This is what it looks like.
You get ice cream and then you go watch the drone show.
I got one slip here. I put my eyelids inside out, y'all. Scoot to the right. That way a little bit.
All right.
All right, go ahead, bro.
Hey guys, welcome back to Weekenders. No. Yeah, you're gonna have to pause in between when you're talking.
I know.
So you want to repeat any of that? Pro tip number 2 is there are plenty of seating.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know either. An owl?
No, maybe, because they looks like a stormtrooper.